This is Jocuu's Masticating Juicer, and don't be overwhelmed. I know it looks like a lot of pieces, but I'm going to show you exactly how to put this product together and how to use it. As you can see, I'm slowly putting one piece in at a time, and you will feel these click into place, so you know that they're secure. The most important pieces I'd like to highlight are the spiral auger, which thoroughly squeezes fruits and vegetables, as well as the super fine mesh filter, which separates the pulp and juice to get a purer juice. This juicer has a soft and hard mode for various types of fruits and vegetables, as well as a reverse mode function to prevent clogging. This product has a one-button disassembly design, which can be disassembled in seconds, and it's very easy to clean. Now that I've gotten this product assembled, it's time to start juicing. Today I've chosen a mixture of apples, carrots, celery, and melon. I like to use this juicer on hard mode all the time. I find that I'm always adding in some form of firm vegetable, so I just leave it on hard mode. I found that this juicer works best when you chop up the vegetables and the fruit into smaller pieces before putting them into the juicer. And not to worry, if the pieces end up getting stuck, just use the little accessory tool that they provided and push those down until they go through the machine. I've personally never had to use reverse mode, but if for some reason you're not able to get those pieces through, that's when you would want to choose reverse mode. This juicer runs less than 60 decibels, which means it's got quiet operation with less noise. Overall, I'm very happy with this product. This juicer fulfills everything that I wanted it to and then some. And I can say with 100% certainty that my intake of fruits and vegetables has never been higher. I think this juicer makes a great complement to any home.